What's good, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I'm just here giving you guys an update. I have done over 100 test hits on the stock gearing, and the only secret to that is literally this setup right here. Currently, the gears on this are reinforced, but if you have a Tamiya FF03, you will know that the actual stock gears on this are basically like clear. So this is the reinforced gears right now, but what I'm trying to say is that this outside housing right here that you put the axles in, this is what's actually keeping everything together inside here. And that's what I'm saying, that now I've had over 100 test hits with the stock gears inside. And the hack is just to get one of these, in which as you can see, with the amount of launches that I've done on this, it actually hits out different grooves inside of it. But that's okay, and that's really because of these tires right here. They're super grippy, but at the same time it does hold the power. And as I said, if you really just want to have the car to have some power but not really like going all out and crazy, then you can get these. But I've actually run 3S on this before, and it has held up for months. So not a real bad you could say bang for your buck, in the sense that this setup is only $14, and it has lasted me months on top of months. So again, another thing that I would say that really again will preserve your gears is when you are actually doing your pulls or your hits or whatever you call it, you have to make sure that when you actually plan to slow down, just let the car run for a little bit before trying to slow it down. Some people actually take reverse out of the car and just let the car run as well and just have brake. So for me, there is still reverse on this, but I just let it run, or you could say coast, and then eventually I slow it down. I just let it come to a full stop by itself. But that also as well keeps your gears basically not stripped down, because as you can see on this one here, it's quite stripped. It's a bit smooth. See if I can get to focus. It's a bit smooth, but it does still have grip. But this diff is still usable. Just that you're not gonna really get maximum performance, but I still can use it if I want to. It's still usable. But yes, guys, this is really something that I'm trying to really put out there for some of my subscribers who literally just got their chassis. I'm like, what's the best way they can get one going without spending a lot of money, and this is really it. I will be throwing a stronger ESC in this, as I said before, though. But again, just playing around with different ideas, and again running that 60 ESC with a special custom cat pack and a 8.5 turn hobby wing motor. So like, share, subscribe, guys. There'll be more to come, and stay tuned.